Let's export our mesh to Blender and add a subdivision surface modifier to it. See if we have any errors. Go File, Export Mesh. Go File, Import, bring it in. Add the subdivision surface modifier to it. The arm looks good. I don't see anything inside out. Now, one thing I will point out, this area right here, that's going to be a problem, and it looks terrible. So later we are going to have to fix that. This might also cause a problem up here. You really don't want these junctions that have all these lines and polygons coming together at one point. It just always causes problems. Plus, you can see it kind of looks flat. You know, a lot of his muscle detail is gone, but we'll fix all that when we get into the sculpting phase. You can push and pull things and kind of bring that out. We'll look at that later. But overall, the geometry looks good and nothing's inside out, so we can continue.